one thing that is very important that you must make sure that you remember is that you are not your trauma. You are not your thoughts. You are not all your experiences that you go through. You've probably been through a lot of trauma. You've had a lot of situations in your life that were very hard. You've had a lot of arguments with people. You've had toxic relationships, narcissistic, abusive relationships. You've been through a lot of things, and you tend to have this thought process, like these thoughts just keep bombarding you. They just bombard you all day, and it's very hard for you to get any work done or make or you feel like you're not making any progress towards your goals, or you're not growing, or you're not healing. And while that may be true to some extent, you are making progress though. You may not be healing as fast as you want to be, but you're still making progress, and you have to be grateful that you're at least making progress, and that you're aware of what's going on. That's the main thing, the most important thing, to be aware of literally what's going on in your situation. So when you're going through trauma, it really takes a huge toll on your mental health. It makes it that much harder to really heal, because the traumatic brain, it's very hard for it to really grow and heal. So it's very important that you face your traumas and you deal with them. You heal from your traumas, because if you don't heal from your traumas, then you will stay stuck in a constant negative loop, in a cycle. And this cycle can make you want to pursue addictions and instant gratification, and and if not focused on, if not healed, it can even make you suicidal, and just have these depressive thoughts, stuff like that. So I say the best way to heal your trauma is to, well, most people are going to tell you that you should speak with a professional. And while in some cases that may be the most effective option, or what makes most sense, I say that you journal about it, you write it down, you just write down all your thoughts, write down everything that you are feeling, and find someone that you can talk to. Find someone that's going through the same thing that you are going through, and talk to that person about your traumas, both of them. And it really helps when you know somebody else is going through it. Empathy is very powerful, and journaling really helps you process your thoughts. It really helped me process mine. Right now, I'm going through a lot of trauma, so I've been journaling double, like 3 times as much as I usually do. I've been journaling a lot, and it somewhat helps. It you can't. I mean, you can't really say it helps 100% all the time, but it helps at least some. So like some is better than nothing, right? You got to see the glass as half full than half empty. When you're journaling, what it does is you you're processing your thoughts in a healthy way, and you're basically figuring yourself out, doing introspective work, really, and that's very powerful. But make sure you heal your trauma. Make sure you heal. And you remember that you are separate from your thoughts. You are separate from your trauma. You do not have to identify with that. You do not have to reconcile with it. You can accept it. You accept it. You accept your past, but you don't reconcile with it. You don't let it be like, you don't let it determine who you are. And I think that if you just stick to this, focus on doing this, you will definitely make progress towards healing from your traumas. And that's all I got for you today. Make sure you are healing and never give up. Your younger self is rooting for you. Peace out.